Pakistan are joint top in the ICC World Test Championship points table after their win in the first test over Sri Lanka in Galle on Thursday. India and Pakistan have equal number of points, 12, after winning their opening matches in the 2023-25 cycle of the ICC World Test Championship. Teams are positioned on the table in accordance with the percentage of points won in order to standardize the imbalance in the number of matches played. Teams will lose one championship point for each over shot during a match. It must be noted that Pakistan defeated Sri Lanka by 4 wickets to win the first test. The visitors took a 1-0 lead in the two-match series, thanks largely to a brilliant double ton by Saad Shakil in the first innings. Pakistan had resumed their run chase of 131 runs at 48-3 with Babar and Imam-ul-Haq on the crease on the fifth and final day of the match. Azam scored 24 in 28 balls, with the help of 5 fours, before being trapped by Prabhat Jayasuriya in front of the stumps. Saad Shakil also couldn't stay at the crease till the end as he was dismissed after scoring 30 runs in 38 balls. Imam played an impressive knock and remained unbeaten on 50 runs, which included 4 fours and a 6. Agha Salman smacked a 6 on the very first ball he faced to help Pakistan get over the line.